Hello friends, this is our new system and system is very simple, and by way of this website you can definitely have clarity of the movement of the market and the index and also stocks. Also you can get clear idea whether they are in buy side or sell side, and it's very simple, no technical knowledge is necessary, and simply you can track, and you, at any moment of the market you can know the actual sentiment of the stock. So how to use this website, that I am going to demonstrate for our friends. You can see, once you enter your login credentials, you will get the first screen like this. Here you will find number of tabs like market control, dashboard, summary, top 10 bullish, top 10 bearish, alert data, and you will also get an option to select the stock and add. Like if you want to add ACC here, you can select ACC and add plus, then you will get that stock. That is about this adding option. And Nifty and Bank Nifty will be there in the first screen by default, and you can directly view them, both the indices here. Here if you want to see the movement of the Nifty, you have to select the four arrows here, and once you select that, you will get the next screen. Here you will find the particulars like weekly OI, intraday OI, and this is very important and helpful for option buyers, and this will select the good option which is to be purchased during the movement of the market. And you will get call OI, put OI, and strength. Strength is the main base of this particular system, and it is calculated by using several formulas and several considerations, and that is the important core of this system. And after that you will get two charts here, and this first row, this is only for information purpose, and the particular strike selection is important and helpful for option buyers. Coming to these two charts, you will see two charts here, one is spot and second one is strength. And the main system of the core of our system is that whenever both spot and strength travels in the same direction, you should remain in the trade. Like here you can see at 9:38 Nifty has formed a bottom at 11,807, and since then it has been upside. Here in strength column also, if strength chart, if you see from 9:16 onwards, the strength is in upward direction only. So at 11:45 am Nifty has formed a top of 11,930, and strength stopped forming high at 12:05 pm. So at 11:45 am only both strength and spot are in the same direction. So at that point only you should exit, that is at 11:45 am you should exit your long positions. And aggressive trader can initiate short positions by keeping a day high as stop loss, and while entering this first trade, that is long trade, you have to keep the stop loss of 11,807 and ride the bull trade. So this is the way of using the two charts here, and this is another important thing. Minute movements of the market are captured here, and for minutes movement also captured here, and you can see in this table you will see time, spot, strength, and remark. You don't require to see this time and spot, and you are concerned only with column number 3 and column number 4, that is strength and remark. How to see this strength? Here you can see at 9:19 am the strength has formed red colored, and red color has stopped. So you have to understand that selling is stopped in the market, and so you have to go for long positions. So at 9:19 am this system says that you have to enter long positions at 11,868 by keeping the day low as the stop loss, and you have to ride the bull trend. And whenever green color stops, till such time you can remain in a long trade. Here you can see at 12:10 am, 12:10 pm, the green color has stopped, and since then it has been coming down. So at 12:10 pm you have to exit your long positions, and aggressive trader can enter short positions from here itself by keeping the day high as stop loss. So from here you have to wait till the red color stops to exit the bear positions. So if you see from 12:10 onwards, the bear color has not stopped. So from there you have to remain in only in bear position. That is the way to use this column number 3. And column number 3 decision is only for aggressive traders, and if you want to be a safe trader, then you have to take the help of fourth column also. Fourth column is remark column, and unless there are sufficient buyers or sellers, it won't allow you to enter the trade. If you see from 9:16 onwards up to 10:27, you see that system says no trade. That means there are no sufficient quantity of buyers or sellers, so don't take any positions. So conservative trader or safe trader should wait for the signal given by the system in the fourth column also to be safe in the market. So according to the system, at 10:29, 11,880, the system gives bullish signal. So you have to enter the bull trade, buy the Nifty from 11,880 and keep the day low as stop loss and continue the bull trend. And since then, stop. So the bullish signal is given by the system at 10:29 am, and this third column also is giving buy trade from 19 am itself. Both coincide at 10:29, and that is the time you have to enter the buying of Nifty, and you should wait for reversal signal from any of the 3 and 4 column. And here in column number 3, the reversal, that is green stopped, means buying stopped, came at 12:10 am, 12:10 pm. So at 12:10 pm you are getting 11,918 as profit, and you have to book the profit and wait for both the signals coming together at once. So here bullish trend, and here exiting bullish trend. So you have to exit at 12:10 am and try for same position, that is a bearish trend, and here green stopping, and then only you have to enter sell position for safe trader. If you are aggressive, you can go by only column number 3. If you are conservative and safe trader, you have to wait for both signals coming from strength and remark. I repeat, in column number 3, if red color is stopped, selling is stopped, so you have to take buy positions. And if green color is stopped here like this, you have to enter sell positions. So that is the way of using column number 3. And column number 4 gives bullish or bearish trends. So when both column number 3 and 4 gives the same direction, it will be a safe trade. And if you are not willing for confirmation by column number 4, and if you are an aggressive trader, you can even use column number 3, and it also works fine. So this is the way of tracking the stock in our system. So system is very simple, and you can have very good idea for any stock. And apart from that, if you come to main screen, the dashboard is there. After dashboard, you have to go for summary, and in summary you will get the track record of all the systems, all the stocks. So here the stocks are divided as 3 columns. That is, one is no trade, that is stocks where no buyers and sellers are aggressive, so you have to leave those stocks. If you press no trade stocks, these are the stocks which are in no trade zone. And in bullish column, you have to see what are the stocks in bullish side, and these are the stocks which are filtered with a good quantity of buyers by our system. And here you can select the stock by seeing the maximum strength. It automatically gives in descending direction. Highest strength in that day, that is last trading day, is Nifty 50. It is having 55.30. So Nifty is the best stock, best trade that you have to take on last trading day. After that, Bank Nifty is also good, and Apollo. And while selecting the stock, take care such that the spot price is more than 500 and that will be safe trade. If you see in top 10 bullish, Nifty, Bank Nifty and then HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank is also okay, but not for above 500, that you have to, that is your risk. And if the stock is above 500, that is IndusInd Bank is also selected, the movement will be good. So if once you market is started and at 9:30, if you see this list, you can easily select the stock in a matter of 5 seconds, that is Nifty, Bank Nifty, IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank. So stocks are selected, and if you want to track that particular stock, again you have to select that particular stock, and the same thing as I have explained, you have to go by the indications in both the graphs and the column number 3 and 4 mentioned in our system. This is bullish. Like that, top 10 bearish is also given, strength is also filtered, and if you press the strength, maximum strength, weak strength is in maximum bearish strength is in Hindalco, but as per our system you have to go only 500 above stocks. So here the stock selected can be only Sun Pharma, and remaining things they will not give good movement. There will be high and up and down in that stocks, and I suggest only to go by the stocks which are above 500. So to select a good stock immediately, this tab of no trade, bullish and bearish will be helpful. And this is summary, and top 10 bullish is again given here for easy usage of system. Top 10 bearish is also given here. So only thing is you have to go to dashboard and you can track Nifty and Bank Nifty here. If you want to add a specific stock, you have to select a specific stock here, and if you want to see summary, you can type any of the stock. Like if you want to track Reliance, you have to type Reliance. So REL, if you type, it will come here, and you can track as per our system, column number 3 and 4 and both the graphs. So it's very easy to track the system, and it is up to you to take the risk by using the data. Data is refreshing in a very few minutes, and data is also accurate, and certainly it will be a sure guide for you to take appropriate decisions. This is our system, and I wish all the best to all our members who joined this trial, and I hope the system will satisfy. And I don't say that this is 100% sure system, but definitely it will guide you properly in the market, and it will reduce the loss and safeguard your principal. And if you play with the discipline, definitely it will protect the capital of our members. And even in the coming days, there will be much developments in the particular system, and even there are certain surprises in this system which will be known to the members shortly by making a separate video. This is the basic usage of the system which we have made. Thank you, members.